Gemini. This is a Gemini reading, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Before I start, announce ko lang ang ating mid-year sale from 2,500. 1,999 na lang ang ating all-authentic and high-quality crystals from the Enlightened Guide. We have here the black tourmaline for grounding protection, protection of your energy from negative energies and bad juju, inget, and evil eye. And then, if you're manifesting abundance and good business relationship, I recommend you this Brazilian citrine for love and harmonious relationship, for your heart chakra, to balance your emotions. This is highly recommended. The Madagascar rose quartz. For love and money, we also have the Lucky Reds ring with jade charm. Okay? The crystals would be 2,500. Sale price would be 199. This is from 1,500. Magiging 1,200 na lang. Meron din tayong combination of love and money. 199. Citrine and the rose quartz. Alright. Gemini. See? PM nyo lang ako. Promo runs yung sale natin until July 15 na lang. The Devil card, relationship na medyo toxic, obsessive. This is a very strong soulmate connection. Pinili nyo yung isa't isa. Okay? But parang may pagka-obsessive yung energy. Let's see kung ano yan. Meron ding mga patterns na dapat matanggal sa relationship na to para maging mas maganda yung energy. Okay? Right now, marami nang natutunan about past connections, kaya kumbaga hinay-hinay lang yung mga Gemini right now, no? Kung dati talagang todo bigay, do may mga natutunan in the past na dapat is binibigay mo lang yung tama and what you feels fair. If nararamdaman mong hindi ka reciprocated ng person mo, medyo umaatras ka na ng konti. Alright? I feel the energy of sigurista here is more on the masculine side. Okay? Nakikiramdam. Tinitingnan niya kung hanggang saan ba siya dapat mag-invest sa connection na to. Wala pa akong nakikitang stable connection right now na like future plans. But you plan to stay. Siguro it's more of getting to know at kinikilala niyo muna yung isa't isa. Go with the flow energy, but may offer of love. You might be dealing with a Libra. Okay? Merong offer of love here. Napag-iisipan din naman nun yung long term. But may napag-uusapan ang long term, but may energy din dito na someone is entertaining other options. Okay? But meron naman decision here na ayusin, pero nagiging challenging yung kung paano kayo magbe-blend well together. Meron ding mga kailangang ayusin sa communication. Okay? Meron kailangang ayusin na or tanggalin na mga like inauthenticity. Mas okay kasi pag mas honest kayong dalawa. Kasi if not, there is an energy here na may matatapos na lies. Okay? So may malalaman at maaaring makasira ng connection. Baka, let's see. Okay? I don't wanna preempt, pero may mga marireveal na dishonesty. Let's see. The reason for the reading is like, ginigage nyo pareho kayong dalawa kung gaano ka-honest ang bawat isa, kung totoo ba yung offer of love, kung long-term ba to. Okay? Recent past, nagkaroon ng like mabilis na decision kung ano man to. It's like communication ba or getting back together. Okay? So, ito yung energy na nagpapakiramdaman kung hanggang saan lang dapat mag-invest. Na parang pag nararamdaman mo na parang hindi masyadong invested yung person mo, sinusuklian mo siya on that level, hindi ba mas okay na pag-usapan na lang para nagkakaliwanagan? Okay? Same old cycle, the masculine. Kumbaga, meron din namang challenge yung masculine dun sa maturity niya at pagiging responsible niya sa relationship. Okay? Nandun pa rin siya sa same old cycle. May mga bagay din na parang pinag-aaralan pa rin ng masculine on how to effectively communicate. Medyo mabagal yung offer ng masculine kasi naniniguro din siya na tama itong tao at situation that the masculine is investing his energy and time with. Okay? Gemini, I feel parang nag-e-expect ka or nagwe-wait ka ng magandang outcome. I feel nagbigay ka naman ng mga effort sa connection na to. Okay? So, naghihintay ka ng magandang outcome. And your person, I feel, your person is also trying to find the wisdom kung talagang long-term ba to. Pareho kayo, no? Na parang Gemini, I feel na parang nag-i-invest ka sa connection na to. And hinay-hinay ka lang din kasi right now, hindi ko naman din masyadong maramdaman yung readiness nyo pareho to commit at mag-jump into more, you know, like engagement, kasal, or to live in together. Parang marami pang kailangang ayusin or i-consider or getting to know thing, you know, bago kayo mag-jump into a more stable and more serious setup para sa connection na to. Okay? I feel meron ka ng mga fear and doubt. Fear and doubt about past connections. Meron kang mga trauma na ayaw mo na, kung ano yung mga naranasan mo in the past, ayaw mo nang ulitin. Meron ka rin someone from the past na sabi mo is, gosh, pag ito nag-shoot ng message is no. Because nila-let go mo na tong past energy na to. Okay? In the next 3 months, I feel there would be like parang may mga bagay na kailangan mong naiisipan mo at magkakaroon ka ng wisdom na may mga bagay talaga na kailangan mo nalang tanggapin. It is what it is. Okay? And magfo-focus ka sa work. You're too giving. Okay? I-balance mo lang yan kung hanggang saan ka dapat magbigay. Nagfo-focus ka sa work, mas magastos ka right now kesa doon sa pumapasok na pera. But I feel in the next 3 months, magfo-focus ka sa financial stability at may nakikita din akong magandang blessing para sa'yo. Okay? Use your intuition, use your discernment sa mga ka-business deal mo. Okay? Justice is on your side. Mag-ingat din, no? Kumbaga, kung gagawa ka ng mga negosyo, doon ka lang sa tama. Okay? 2024 is the year of karma. So, mag-ingat. Meron kang mababalitaan na ikaka-worry mo. But I don't feel naman sobrang malaking bagay to. I feel maaayos mo naman agad because there is the justice card here. Alright? PM nyo ako kung paano ka magkaroon ng high quality, blessed and ritualized sa crystals na to. And for your personal reading. Okay? That will be the Gemini reading for the month of, for this month. And see you again in a few days for your bonus reading. PM nyo kung paano ka magkaroon. Hanggang July 15 na lang ang ating mid-year sale. So grab this opportunity. After that, babalik na tayo sa regular price. Bye-bye, Gemini!